here we are once again. We're getting ready to start this day out. We got all this stuff ready to go. So today is going to seem a lot better than yesterday. Days like yesterday just seems like you don't get much done. In all reality, we did, but visually it don't show. So today we got a whole bunch ready to go. Should be a lot better day visually. Definitely we'll get all this stuff done, installed, and get this tore up and prepped is the plan. So let's make this place look better. It'll be a little more convenient to have a longer scribe board, but the shorter the board is this way, the more it's going to conform to the bows and the walls and stuff like that. So while you can take a long board and lay down here, mark it like a straight edge, this short board is going to be more accurate when it comes to your scribing out. Well, got all this stuff done up. We was right here this morning when we got here. We got this down here. Got work done through the hallway. Running on up through there. And it's just about right timing because we got 3 boards left. And then we can go ahead and we ain't gonna quite make it to there. Well, we'll get one more row here. And then we'll be out of plank and we can start tearing up and prepping the master bedroom. This will be nice. I'll come in here, I'll move all this stuff out, come in here and raise the windows and close the door and just kind of keep everything contained here. My dustless does really good, but just as much sanding as I've been doing, you can see. That's why I've covered stuff up. Go ahead. Okay, so we got all the furniture fixing to cover this up with plastic. Well, we will before we start sanding anyway. Cover all this up with plastic. We got this half of the room cleared out. We will get all this tore up, prepped, and then take this furniture right back over here, tear that up and prep. That way tomorrow we can start working this direction. So, cock-a-doodle-doo. So I don't know, but it might just be me. I'm pretty sure whoever installed this was really rough with their right hand. What do you think? All on the right side of the board when putting it down. Check this guy. So many pieces boogered up on the right side. Somebody's a little crazy with the right hand. Little crazy with the right hand. What you think? Yeah. All right, got one high spot in this room, and that's it, right there where I got it marked out. And you can see right there. This is an 1/8 inch. Look at that. That's a pretty significant hump that I'm gonna have to take down. Some people are concerned about how much we're actually sanding off and concerned for the structure. Well, I don't have to get that completely down, okay? I just gotta get it where this won't go into there. And you don't even technically have to take that thickness here out of this to make it lower that much down here, okay? So we're just getting it to where those will not slide under, and we're gonna be good. We're by no means doing enough to make this a weak floor. We're not taking this down to 3/8 or a 1/2 inch plywood, by no means. Okay, got that all prepped out over here. We got all the furniture over there covered back up and all that good stuff, fixing to tear and tape this up, haul it outy bowdy. I just love how they did their patterns in this. They did so good spreading it out so it don't just, their blend is on point. We'll just say that. Good job. Alrighty. Well, we got the master bedroom all complete and ready to go tomorrow. So I would have actually got that hallway finished up, but we ran out of plank for what I took over there the first time. I took over one pallet, and in the morning I will take the second pallet of plank over and get it in there and get that master bedroom done. I want to get all that done, and I got the hallway upstairs to do also. I really want to get all that done and then trim it all in at once. It might work out where I have to do that bedroom and then do some trim downstairs before I go upstairs, because I don't really want to leave them with a plywood hallway over the weekend, but at the same time I don't want to have to go in there Monday and tear up and prep and then try to install too. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. I might do it. I might get that master bedroom done, go upstairs and make a huge mess up there, tearing everything up and prepping, because prep work has been the longest on this whole job. The plank goes fast. I can knock that stuff out pretty quick. Like that bedroom tomorrow morning, I'm figuring on maybe about lunchtime tomorrow I'll be done with that bedroom, if that long, and we can get right on. I was trying to get out of his way. Oh, mercy. Anyway, we'll get that master bedroom done. That's probably what we'll do, is just do that, tear up the upstairs and get it prepped and ready for Monday is probably what we'll end up doing. I got 6 transitions, I believe, to do. I want to do the ollie trim lines, the reducers. So I'm going to do that everywhere. And new quarter round everywhere that it's white. And then I'll put the painted stuff back that they already had painted. The blue around the bar, and then they had like some gray around the cabinets. So I will redo all of the white though, because I'd rather do it, because I'm not, I like the coat better than what they had. They had it all caulked and puttied and painted, and then when you pull that stuff off and then you got to put it back, it don't ever look good. So I always like to go back with brand new stuff. But anyway, the wife has called in some supper, so I am fixing a getty outy bowdy, go pick it up, take it home, and get my grub-a-dub-dub on. I will see you. Thank you guys for turning in to the Daily Grind. Until tomorrow, FBSB's out.